Who doesn't love wearing a good pair of shorts on a hot, hot summer day? What about cute ones that you upcycled from the thrift store or your own wardrobe? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. I am upcycling some denim shorts from the thrift store. I found these pair for $1 on sale. Say what? And they happen to be in my model size, so double bonus! After a good washy-washy, it's time to start upgrading these denim shorts. I used to make these shorts to sell, and I used to make a pattern for every single one. I realized I didn't have to do that, and I just did a general cutout in the shape I needed over the shorts. But if you want to be more accurate and maybe you're not used to going all willy-nilly with it, just make a quick paper pattern. If you want to be more accurate, maybe make sure your fabric will fit, or if you want to grab a certain part of the pattern, make a quick paper pattern will help. To do this, I grab a piece of scrap paper, junk mail if you will, and use a marker to make a general outline and the space I need to cover. I do this by feeling the seam/edges of the short. To this pattern, you want to add a seam allowance so that way you can fold the raw edge of the fabric down when you're sewing. Then you're going to pin your fabric in place, folding the seam allowance down, and grab your sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, this could totally be done hand stitching if you have this patience and fortitude, but I'm going to use my sewing machine because that's how I like to power through. You're going to increase your stitch length and let's rock and roll. The trickiest part about this is sewing near the crotch zipper area, so take your time. When you round the corner, make sure your pocket is flat so that way you don't have to go back and seam rip all your hard work. I like to make my pocket functional because pockets are already a scarcity in women's clothing, so let's not lose a pocket over this. Scrunch up your shorts, push aside the extra fabric and material, and make sure you're only sewing the outer pocket and the fabric, or you'll be grabbing those seam rippers again. I love this project because it collectively checks all my boxes. It reduces waste by upcycling clothing. It's a scrap buster, and I can customize my clothes with my own fandoms and pretty fabric. And it's easy, which is the best thing yet. Well friends, that's all I have for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe. And if you plan on doing this project, let me know. What's your fandom? What do you want to put on your shorts? I'd love to know. Leave me a comment down below. Have a great day, guys.